So, what are the factors that affect the price elasticity of demand? Well, I've already alluded to the fact that brand A of basmati rice was going to have an elastic PED. And we thought that because it's quite a homogeneous good and there's lots of substitutes. So, if the price of one brand of rice went up, you would likely switch your consumption from one good to another. And that's because there are lots of substitutes. The more substitutes there are for a good, the more elastic the PED will be. The greater the proportion of income, the more elastic the good will be. The more luxurious a product is, the more elastic the good will be. And the inverse being, if it is a necessity, it is likely to have an inelastic demand. Similarly, if a good is addictive, you would imagine it would have an inelastic demand. You can imagine that if a price was to rise for an addictive good, the fall in quantity demanded would be less than proportional. The final factor that will affect the price elasticity of demand is time, and now this is context specific. For more detail, watch the longer form video on YouTube at Minute Micro Macro.